back everybody, Barry Mountford here. Well, this is the last day of the photo show and it's been an absolutely amazing experience. As you can hear, my voice is going. I've done nothing but talk photography for the last 3 days. This is the last day. A little bit sad that we're going to be leaving, but it's been an amazing experience. I just want to thank everybody who took the time out to stop over at the stand and chat with us. You guys have made this experience really special. I just want to say a big thank you to you, and for everybody who was looking to improve their photography and were asking me so many questions. Please don't hesitate to get in touch, drop us a message. I'm not just here for this show. I will answer any of the messages further down the line later on in the year. Get in touch. I'm more than happy to answer all those questions. But again, I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you who made this experience a really fantastic one. And here's a little snippet of the rest of the gang from the Pixapro team. So until next year, folks. Absolutely fabulous 4 days, an absolutely amazing time with these guys. Pixapro team, the A1. You guys are down here next year. Make sure you head over to the stand A91. See these guys and have a fantastic time.